Hiya, just a quick update on the Tesla coil. I said I wouldn't leave it alone, I'd still play around and modify it, and that's what's been happening here. I changed the coil from this arrangement to flat coil because I was getting arcs running up and down the sides of the secondary when I was trying to make it dual resonant. This coil is quite a large thick piece of copper and it was looking promising, and then suddenly one of the IGBTs failed, so I've had to get another couple of these as well. So it's all proving a bit expensive. I'm not quite sure what the fail was. I know that there was a bit of smoke came out of this, and testing across here has found this has gone short circuit. The other one seems to have survived, but we need to do a bit more investigating. Okay, I'll take it apart and investigate a bit further. So I'll try and make a few changes. I'm going to put a bit of screening on the gate drivers and try and work out what went wrong. The only thing I can think of is a primary strike. I didn't see it, but that seemed a logical one, as it also tripped the earth breaker as well. Okay, we can take this apart. Okay, one's gone there. This one's still good, I think. Yeah, good. Okay, just about finished and it's reassembled, but I've replaced the primary coil with this one as an experiment. So it's just slightly smaller than the previous one. Put the guardrail in, but I'm also going to add this as a bit of an experiment. It's just really for a bit of extra protection. This is a graphite coating which I can connect to the guardrail just to prevent any strikes hitting the coil. Okay, I thought it might be worth having a look inside to see what went wrong with this IGBT module. I've basically taken the bolts out so I can undo the packaging. There's a kind of gungy jelly stuff inside which kind of prevents it coming apart easily, but perseverance. It should just pull apart, revealing the inside. So now, once the cover is removed, you can see this kind of plastic lead frame, and we have the gates inputs here, and you can actually see the silicon on the heatsink at the back. This how you can kind of peel away the gel from the components, but as you can see there's nothing really left of this. It's all of the fragments are stuck inside the gel, and obviously bits of silicon still there, so it obviously contained the the device blowing up. I removed a little bit more actually, and interestingly enough the bond wires, you can see there, have actually lifted off with the gel, but they're still attached to the protection diode there. Kind of the gel, it's a silicon gel. Interestingly enough, the diode still works, but I don't think there'll be much salvage in that. I've managed to remove most of the silicon gel. That snotty mess has actually got some of the silicon still inside it. It sticks to everything, by the way, but board remain. This kind of shows most of the silicon is completely gone. Interestingly, the bond wires have remained in all but this one. These bond wires have disappeared. The rest still have bond wires, and this has actually got quite a bit of silicon left on this device, but there are cracks through it, so it has gone as well. Okay, finally, I just thought it might be worth looking at how this relates to the diagram on the sides of these. Basically, it's a pair. These are parallel. The actual connections show that as well, that the points of contact there are bridged. So each of these are parallel. So this is the pair shown, and this link is this here. The gate inputs are here and here, and they're linked across, and in fact it's a bond wire here from there to there and from there to there, and that's the link across that, and similarly this side link here, and the gate connection linked across, and this one lost its oh no, it has a bond wire still there. That's all that's left on that little pad, is the connection, and the diodes are across, and these link wires cross over there, so these are in parallel.